Shopify is making so many big changes right now that might permanently change the outlook on how we view e-commerce and dropshipping forever. And if you're not staying ahead of all of these changes that's happening right now in 2023, you might be putting your business at risk of failing or never even seeing the initial results that you're expecting. So today I want to talk about all of these changes, and I want to give you my strategy as to how I'm going to actually combat all of these changes, adapt, and stay ahead of the trend so that I can stay profitable with my dropshipping and e-commerce stores and continue to see growth while, of course, the other 99% continue to fail. The first big change that I noticed is that Shopify is actually increasing their prices, which says a lot. And you know, it might sound like a little deal right now, but I'll explain why that's actually a big deal. But I want to take a step back real quick, because last week I got an email from like the COO of Shopify, and it said something like, you know, we're gonna increase our prices because we're providing so much value for you guys. What I noticed it said is that these changes are probably gonna take effect sometime in April. It's best for you to actually start your Shopify store right now and lock in these prices, because that is something that was mentioned in the email. It said if you lock in your price right now, the rate won't change for you. So I did a basic Google search, and as you can see right here, the basic plan is increasing from $29 a month to $39 a month. The medium Shopify plan is increasing from $79 a month to $105 per month. And the advanced plan is actually increasing from $299 per month to $399 per month. So I always suggest to start off with the very lowest plan, but we're now seeing that price hiking up to about $39 per month, which is something that I haven't seen Shopify do for the past 5 years. Ever since I started it, they've never been this bold to increase their prices. So let's talk about what that actually means. You know, and I'm assuming just like when Netflix did this, you know, a few months back, they increased their prices from like $10 a month to like $15. People complained about it, but yes, it did help Netflix's bottom line, and they did deliver, you know, right after. But what does that mean for you as a dropshipper? What it means is we're entering a time right now where dropshipping is going to be a little bit more difficult for the average person. The barriers to entry are going to raise up a little bit more. So it's either now or never. And I've been saying this since 2023 is probably your last chance to get rich, okay? Because these companies right now are starting to realize their value. They're starting to realize how much they actually underprice themselves. You know, 10% of all of e-commerce is happening through Shopify's platforms. So they have extreme leverage, and you know, this price is actually justifiable. As somebody who's made multiple 7 figures using Shopify stores, I'll tell you that if you can do it right with the right strategy, this monthly price and the price increase will pay for itself 10 times over. One of the big ways that they're actually making sure they're giving you the value in return is Shopify is actually launching a one-page checkout. Before, you used to have to go through a series of steps just to check out, which was actually a big deal for customers. It was a big turnoff, and a lot of people would actually just not continue buying the product. They'll just add to cart, initiate checkout, and then they'll just forget about it. Right now, you are going to be able to access that sometime in the future. I don't have an actual release date for this yet. And you used to have to pay for Shopify's Plus plan, which is about $2,000 per month, just to be able to have this feature. But right now, we're seeing that they're actually going to open this up to all merchants, so you're going to be able to have access to this. And what does that mean for you? Well, right here, you can see that they're saying that this service, according to Shopify, yields a 72% increase in conversions above a typical checkout and 91% higher on mobile. So if you have a 3% conversion rate on your store right now, you're getting customers, blah, blah. If you just implement this thing that Shopify is gonna give you for free, your conversion rates could be as high as like 5% on something that was normally 3%, which is a game changer. You're making more money for no reason, basically. So that already makes up for the Shopify price increases. Now, before we get into the other 2 big changes that we're seeing on Shopify and e-commerce, I wanna announce that I'm doing yet another giveaway. If you want a chance to enter this giveaway, all you gotta do is comment down below dropshipping 2023 and whatever comment, question, suggestion that you might have for a future video, and I'll gladly pick one lucky person at the end of this week to go ahead and give a one-on-one coaching call absolutely free. All you got to do is comment down below and enter the giveaway. The second big change that I'm seeing in the e-commerce space is that TikTok might actually be banned for once. You guys know my beef with TikTok. I got banned off of there, but I still use them for marketing. I think it's a great platform because they know how to get attention of people. TikTok is now being seen as a national security threat by the US government. And we already see states like Texas, Florida, New Jersey, Georgia banning TikTok on government issued devices. So, you know, it hasn't really hit us on a consumer level yet, but if they're doing this on a government level, that means that there is a chance that even for average American citizens, this might actually be banned on your normal device that you use every single day. So the biggest thing that I would advise you to do right now is take advantage of TikTok. It served as a great alternative to Facebook ads when, you know, Facebook ads was going through the iOS 14 updates and the changes. Right now, TikTok is not looking promisable in the future, right? You want to make sure you want to get in there right now, get your social profiles, get their social proof up, you know, get as much data as you can for a low cost, so that when TikTok is actually banned, you already have that customer base, you already have the data there, and now you can build a sustainable business on the back end because you was able to use TikTok when it was actually profitable. So get in there right now while you can, because I don't see things looking good for TikTok in the US. And the last big change is that I'm seeing AI really starting to make an impact in the dropshipping e-commerce space in general. You guys know a few weeks back, I've been experimenting with a few pieces of AI like DALL-E and ChatGPT, and this is starting to gain a lot more traction, especially in e-commerce. People starting up agencies that basically leverage AI to do copywriting, basically filling out the web design aspects of their business using ChatGPT. Yeah, it's actually doing very well for a lot of people. So you got to start to familiarize yourself with AI in general and how it can actually help you with your business, because if you know how to leverage this, then you'll be able to actually alleviate a lot of stress in the startup aspect of your business, but also delegate a lot of tasks that you would have normally delegated to either yourself or a virtual assistant in which you would have to pay, to now you can delegate those things to just an AI which can get them done in about 5 minutes. This is going to help you be more efficient in your dropshipping business. This is going to help you start faster and get results faster, because we all know the secret sauce: speed is everything. I hope you got some value out of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to enter that giveaway. I'll be announcing that lucky person on my story, so stay tuned. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.